Welcome to our exploration of epic theatre. Developed in the early 20th century, this revolutionary form of theatre aimed to provoke rational thought and social change. Unlike traditional theatre, which often seeks to immerse the audience in the story, epic theatre encourages viewers to remain detached and critically engaged. Epic theatre was largely influenced by the works of Bertolt Brecht, a German playwright and director. Brecht believed that theatre should not just entertain but also educate. He introduced techniques that would remind the audience they were watching a play, such as breaking the fourth wall and using placards to convey messages. As epic theatre evolved, it began to incorporate various elements to enhance its didactic purpose. Music, for example, was used not to create emotional depth, but to comment on the action. Actors often stepped out of character to address the audience directly, further emphasizing the play's message rather than the narrative. The climax is the turning point, the moment of greatest tension and conflict in the narrative. It's where the stakes are at their highest, and the characters face their most significant challenges. This pivotal moment often leads to a dramatic confrontation or a crucial decision that will determine the outcome of the story. In the resolution, the story's conflicts are resolved, and the narrative comes to a close. Loose ends are tied up, and the characters' journeys reach their conclusion. This is where the audience sees the consequences of the climax and how the characters have changed or grown. The resolution provides a sense of closure and completeness to the story. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that each element of the narrative plays a crucial role in shaping the overall story. From the exposition to the resolution, every stage builds upon the last, creating a cohesive and engaging experience for the audience. Understanding these elements not only enhances our appreciation of storytelling, but also equips us with the tools to analyze and create compelling narratives of our own.